So, ito yung Times Square, guys. Pag nakita na natin tong clock dito, before it's not the same as a clock here. That is different. So, yan, pinalitan nila yung clock. So, pupuntahan tayo doon sa taas. We're going to try, tikalok kung makakaakyat tayo, guys. Are you excited? Because I'm also excited. Did you hear that? Yeah. I'm so excited yun. Akyat tayo dito. There you go. This is famous also, guys. Some of the actress from other countries, I think they are also passing by here and then doing some shopping. Kasi talaga naman ang Hong Kong is all over the world. Ang Hong Kong talaga ang binibisita ng mga shoppers. Yung mga mahilig mag-shopping. Ang Hong Kong ang pinaka-famous na lugar para mag-shopping. So, I don't know how many floor is this. They're going to the lift. We'll go up to the lift. Yes?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
I don't know. Si Ricky Martinini yung kasama natin kasi sabi ko samahan ako, guys. I'm afraid to come here. Going to the 9th floor, guys. Yes. Hi. We are here in Times Square. We're going to 9th floor and then we go up to the 13th floor.
No, wala.
So first time ko, guys, umakyat dito sa Times Square. So ganito yung outlook niya dito. Now we're going to another lift of 13th floor, guys. So excited! Oh my God! Thank you so much. So expensive and luxurious restaurant. Griham Cafe. Expensive and luxurious restaurant. Mula dito sa Times Square yan, makikita natin yung hindi lang tayo makaakyat talaga sa pinaka-rooftop kasi sarado. Pero from here, yan, kita talaga. Wait, you can see everything naman. But we just only here in the oh, they are also have the
But they close it.
They close it. This is Emperor Cinemas here. Buy one get one. Delcy Paris. So very luxurious yung mga ano dito, guys. Yung mga so really gaano kataas yan. So na hanggang 10th floor yung shopping. Alam nyo ba, guys, na bawat rental sa isang store lang dito sobrang mahal. Every month 1906. 1906. Nakakalulang tingnan. Yan. Nakakalulang tingnan. Grabe. Sobrang tahimik. Pero pag Sunday or may occasions, mayroon din silang nilalagay na Christmas trees in the middle. At yeah, maraming tao pag Sundays dito pag weekend. Pero mga ganitong weekdays, yan, a few people only yung makikita mo dito. And ang napaka-ano lang dito guys, sobrang napakamahal ng mga bilihin. We cannot afford talaga usually. Just like this. So, Forla. Ganda. Ganun yung mga grabe, no? Ganda ng ano. They just only one is nakakahalaga ng 1,290. My goodness. New collections. Sweet memories. Club Monaco. Club Monaco. Meron siya Jean Gerard. Darrell. Pachoro Tayama. Japan. Oh. Wow, look at this. Diesel. Oh, ganito pala yung design ng diesel. So, walang masyadong bumibili. Yung lang mayayaman lang talaga yung pumunta dito para bumili ng mga bagay-bagay na mayaman. Polo Ralph Lauren. Wow. Cafe Melanie. Talking about the Cafe Melanie means Italian. See? No one here. Look at that watch. Sobrang luxurious. Look at this. So, nandito na tayo sa second floor. At doon tayo nanggaling guys. So, baba na tayo dito kasi ito na yung ground, no, not ground floor, first floor, MTR station. Kung kukuha ka dito ng MTR station, napakalayo para maglakad gawin sa ano mo kasi napakalayo talaga yung lugar niya. Sobrang lucky. Hindi tayo nakapunta talaga mismo doon sa pinakataas kasi nga close siya. Maybe under renovation. So, dito sa labas guys, pagka may mga occasion na like example Christmas, All Saints Day, or Chinese New Year, so nagkakaroon ng decoration dito sa malawak na labas ng Times Square. So, usually naglalagay sila dyan. Ngayon hindi pa. Siguro by first week of December. Yan, meron. Nagpapahiwatig na malapit na ang Pasko. Look at this. So this shop, meron na siyang Merry Christmas. Ayan, pagpasok mo pa lang dito. Right? Let's go. Let's get inside. So yan, meron silang. Dito naman, ang makikita natin is more on mga beauty products, mga shoes na magaganda. Yeah, more on beauty products in here. Ayan. Paikot. So we have to go down here kasi meron na rin dito. So meron na rin siyang Christmas decoration dito guys. Ayan, dito sa Times Square. Sa My City Super. Kasi ito talaga yung pinakamalaking groceries dito ng City Super. Yan. So meron na silang decorations gifted for us. Look at that. Right? So we're going up again. Mas maraming mga kainan dito. If you want to eat something here. Yan, may amazing food hall sila dito. Beautiful. Merry Christmas everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. See you on my next vlog. Thank you so much. Goodbye.